problems that I was having before signing up with Contractors Independence Marketing was not having enough leads. I chose Contractor Independence because they laid everything out in front of me and showed me how the system worked, and I was very impressed with that. Since I've been with Contractors Independence, revenue has grown 5 to 10,000 a month per month. What I would say to other contractors is that this is a very good investment, and this system, it pays for itself. Um, Definitely a plus. No losses here. I love the app because if I miss a call, it sends an automatic text to the customer asking them how can I help them, and then I'm able to go back and give them a call. I love using that app. Thank you.